In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to add, edit, or remove a profile pin on Netflix. Let's get started. First, launch your Netflix app or navigate to the official website of Netflix, provide your credentials and log into your account. Now click on the profile icon, head over to the option Manage Profiles. Here you're going to find all the profiles you have created in your Netflix. Select the one for which you want to add pin. Now click on Profile Lock. Click on Create a Profile Lock. Now you'll need to verify your email address or the phone number or enter your Netflix account's password. After you complete this verification, you can type in 4-digit code, and just for that you have added PIN to your profile. If you want to change an existing PIN, enter your new 4-digit PIN and save the changes. Now to remove the PIN completely, simply uncheck the option that requires a PIN for that profile and confirm the changes. So this way you can easily add, edit, or remove a profile pin on Netflix. This guide helped you out. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.